Hi, I'm Barbara Johnson. In this chapter, we'll be looking at rational expressions. We'll also be looking at how they can form rational equations. We'll look at applications of rational equations, and we'll look at rational functions. Simplify t plus 1 over t plus 3 times 5t plus 15 over 4t squared minus 4. To simplify, we're going to be multiplying and then simplifying. We'll start by factoring any of the polynomials in the numerator and denominator that we can factor. We can't factor t plus 1 or t plus 3, but we can factor 5t plus 15 as 5 times t plus 3. And we can factor the denominator as well. Factoring out a 4, we would have 4 times t squared minus 1, which factors into t plus 1 times t minus 1. Now when we multiply numerators and multiply denominators. That would give us t plus 1 times 5 times t plus 3 over t plus 3 times 4 times t plus 1 times t minus 1. Each of these is a factor so that we can now cancel or remove factors equal to 1. T plus 1 over t plus 1 is 1, and t plus 3 over t plus 3 is 1. Now when we cancel, be very careful that you look across in the numerator and see do you have a 5 left. In the denominator we have a factor of 4 and a factor of t minus 1. And there's no need to multiply that out. The simplified form is 5 over 4 times t minus 1.